Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an HP ProBook. This is an HP ProBook 440 G3 model, and in this video I'm gonna go over how you can remove or replace your keyboard for your laptop. If you have dropped some coffee or some liquid and the keys are not working, or randomly some keys are not working, you have just to replace the keyboard. It's really easy. You can do it under, I'll say, 3 minutes tops. And it's really simple. By upgrading the keyboard, you can change it to different layout, different language with no problem, depending whichever you're comfortable with. By removing the keyboard, you're gonna change any configuration on the laptop, so it's just plug and play. All you want to do is make sure your laptop is powered off. Then you want to flip it upside down, and you might want to remove the battery, and then you want to grab yourself the screwdriver set. I'll be using an iFixit screwdriver set, as they have one of the best bits out there. And we're going to use a Phillips number 0. And down here there's a little service cover. We're going to remove this one screw. The screw right in here has a little C-lock on the other side that will prevent the screw coming out. So what you want to do, you just want to twist it, and then until you see the screw that is loose. There's a tiny spring that is supposed to push this screw up, but over time that spring becomes really flat, so it keeps falling down. So I keep holding it up a little bit, and then I'll push this cover towards myself, and I'm gonna see this 0.5 centimeters gap right there, and then I'm gonna flip it like a pamphlet. And down here we're gonna switch to a torque number. Let me double check. Yeah, little ticker, I believe. You're going to use a torque number 8. You're going to remove this screw and the screw right in here. They have a little keyboard logo right beside them. So go ahead and remove these 2 screws. I'm going to use a magnet to bring it out. There we go. And we're going to remove the screw right on the other side. Alright. Now that we remove these 2 screws, we're going to flip the laptop to the normal position. And we're going to grab ourselves the opening tool. For the opening tool, I'll be using a guitar pick. We're going to stick the guitar pick between the keyboard and the palm rest. And we're just going to twist it like this. Keep doing it every 0.5 centimeter, and you're going to hear click sounds right at the back. Once you have a little bit from the middle, you want to bring it up just like that. Don't yank it too hard. Just bring it up and flip it over. And we can see somebody dropped a coffee in here. So, and there we have it. To remove the keyboard, you want to put your fingernails at this side where the black plastic is, and you want to lift it up 90 degrees facing up. And then you want to slide back the flex cable. Make sure the flex cable, the plastic, the blue side has to face up. Let's just say that you got a new keyboard with a new layout. You want to bring it in this position. If yours is like this, you want to fold it, bring it like that, and slide it in 45 degrees inside the jack, and put this lock right over. Just bring it over. And then you want to gently bring it like this, and you want to put the bottom of the keyboard under the palm rest, just like that. And then you want to push the corners, holding the middle with a little R, and push the corners top side. Make sure you do those nice click sounds. And if you see any gaps opening like this, you just want to put opening tool in there and then help it to go to its place. There we go. Alright, once you have the keyboard in there, just make sure you just tuck it down nicely. You want to close the screen. And down here, you want to put back down the screws to hold the keyboard in its place. And after that, all you want to do is just bring the bottom cover with an offset position, and then slide it towards the back and tighten up the screws on the bottom. Oh, remember, that's a Phillips screw. Again, I hope you guys like this video and it helped you guys out. If you want to support the channel, you can do that by clicking the like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. It helps and motivates me to make more videos, take requests, and answer your questions in the comment area. Again, that's it for today's video. This is how you replace your keyboard for your HP ProBook 440 G3.